Welcome to this video on the architecture and operation of digital energy meters. We will explore the working principle behind these modern devices. Digital meters measure electricity usage with solid-state electronic parts, replacing old moving dials. The core principle involves continuously multiplying voltage and current to calculate power. Digital meters offer high accuracy, unlike mechanical meters that degrade due to friction. They track more than just kWh, measuring active power, voltage dips, and maximum demand load. They also instantly detect tampering attempts for better security. The process of a digital meter involves four main steps: signal sensing, digital conversion, power calculation, and finally, memory and display. Step 1. Signal sensing. Sensors safely sample the power lines. The voltage sensor scales down high-line voltage, while the current sensor uses a current transformer or similar component to detect current flow and convert it into a proportional voltage signal. Step 2. Analog to digital conversion, or ADC. The ADC digitizes the low-voltage analog signals by sampling the waves thousands of times per second. This process creates precise binary data streams. Step 3. The brain, or microcontroller unit, MCU. The dedicated MCU receives the digital binary streams and performs real-time mathematical calculations to determine energy usage. The MCU uses formulas like instantaneous power equals voltage times current times power factor, and energy consumed equals power times time. It continuously sums these fractions to calculate the overall kilowatt hours. Step 4. Memory and display. Non-volatile memory, such as EEPROM, safely stores the energy units, surviving power outages. The LCD screen displays the current usage metrics. The key components map illustrates the system's integration. Sensors measure raw input, the ADC translates signals, the MCU manages calculations, and the memory saves cumulative data. Internal components work together seamlessly. Advanced smart features include the real-time clock, RTC, which tracks exact dates and times, enabling time-of-use tariff tracking. The communication module automatically transmits data using technologies like RF, GSM, GPRS, or powerline communication. Digital meters ensure grid security and instantly detect and log bypass attempts. The meter registers magnetic interference and flags altered electrical connections, enhancing tamper detection. Digital meters are the foundation of the smart grid. They transform raw power into smart data, with electronic sensors guaranteeing accuracy and microchips processing energy information instantly. Real-world applications include single-phase meters for standard residential homes and three-phase meters for heavy industrial and commercial loads, which manage complex power factors and maximum demand tracking.